Now, I don't know about you, but in the morning, I just don't have the time to get a real breakfast. With the Ninja Pulse, we've made it easy. You can have a delicious smoothie and be out the door, ready to start your day. I want to show you one of my favorite smoothie recipes, the sweet cherry recipe. What you need is pitted cherries, a little bit of yogurt, banana, and milk, and you've got a delicious start to your day. All right, so let's get started. Go ahead in the single serve, throw in my cherries. Yum. Let's go ahead and put in the bananas. And a little bit of yogurt. Yogurt really helps to give it a nice creamy texture. Sometimes people don't like to use yogurt, they like to use juice instead, but I really feel like this helps with the texture overall. All right, that's probably about good. And let's add in some milk. And then of course, because this is frozen blending, we've got to add ice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and screw on the single serve blade set. Again, making sure that it's nice and tight. There we go. Line up the tabs on the single serve cup to the notches on the motor. All right, now let's just lock it into place. Now you're ready to experience the Pulse technology. Pulses follow. Can you believe how quick that was? In just a few seconds, I've got a delicious drink to get me out the door feeling great. With the Ninja Pulse, we really do enable you to have a healthy lifestyle and have a tasty treat in the morning. All right, let's take off the blades and put on the drink cap. So easy, I don't have to pour it into another cup at all, just drink right out of here. Pretty pink straw. Bye, guys.